Yarnsensation. Just click on my yarn lady or click the subscribe button.
So to start our circle, the first thing we want to do is our slip knot, and you can use a magic circle as well. Once you have your slip knot, you will chain 6. Once you have your chain 6, you will join in that first chain that you made. You just want to grab your yarn, pull it through that loop, and then pull it through the next loop. Next, you will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, because we will be making our double crochets in this circle. So to make your double crochet, you want to wrap your yarn around the hook like this, and then you'll place your hook into that center, and you will grab your yarn, and you want to pull it back through that loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook, so you want to bring your hook through 2 loops and then do the last 2 loops. Once you make that double crochet, you need to make 10 more double crochets in the center. And this is what your work will look like. Counting your chain 3, and that will be considered your turning chain as well, plus your 11 double crochets, you will have a total of 12 double crochets. Next, you want to join your work into your turning chain, and you will place your hook in the second chain of that chain 3. And you just want to pull your yarn through to join your work. For round 2, you will chain 3, and this will be your turning chain. And you want to place 2 double crochets in each stitch around, and that will give you a total of 24 double crochets. So to get started, you want to place your first double crochet in the same stitch as your turning chain. So that would be this stitch. You'll place 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Two double crochets in the next. And you will just repeat that back around. You'll place your last 2 double crochets in this stitch. This right here where your chain 3 is coming out is not a stitch. And then we will meet back. I am completing the last 2 double crochets. Place it down and count your stitches. Remember your chain 3, your turning chain, counts as 1 double crochet. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. You have 24. And remember to join in your second chain. You completed round 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. The next row will be our increase row. So we have our chain 3, that's going to count as 1 double crochet. So in our next stitch, we need 2 double crochets. So for round 3, you will place 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and you'll repeat that around. And in your last stitch, you will have 2 double crochet. So for each round that you increase, since we started off with 6, each round will have an additional 12 stitches added to it. Double crochet, 2 double crochet, and repeat that pattern back around, and we will meet back. Okay, I am completing round 3. For round 3, count your stitches around your double crochets plus your chain 3. For round 3, you will have a total of 36 double crochets. Next row, you chain 3. For this round, we will increase So in your first stitch, you want to place a double crochet, counting your chain 3 and this double crochet. You have 2 double crochets. Next, you want to place 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So you will repeat around 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And you will repeat that around, and in your last stitch, you will have 2 double crochets. And we will meet back. I am at the end of row 4, completing my last 2 double crochets. Join in the second chain. We have completed 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds, and it's still flat. Very pretty. So for this round, you will have a total of 48 double crochets. For the next row, if you want to just continue, just remember the first thing you want to do is chain 3. That will count as your first double crochet. In the next stitch, you will place another double crochet. In the next, a double crochet, and then your 2 double crochets for your increase, and just repeat that around. And just remember, every round you will increase by adding 1 more double crochet in your pattern as you go around. Once you reach the size that you want, if this is just a practice, that's fine. You want to finish it off, so you go to the next stitch and just place your hook into the stitch, pull your yarn through, complete your slip stitch, chain 1, and you will cut your yarn, pull your yarn tail through the loop, and weave in the end, and your circle will be complete, and it will be flat.